recording right now.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
That's good call.
I see you, boy. Bro, this camera sucks.
Yeah.
I like it though.
Why?
Like I don't like the pixels and everything, but the camera itself, like how it's formed.
It's a pretty cool looking little camera. What are you doing?
I don't know, man. I want to actually film a new one when we actually film. Will it save this one?
Yeah, but that's fine.
Oh, look, a fucking deer. What the hell, fuckers? Oh shit, there's a lot of deer. That was the pre-beginning. Or preamble, whatever the fuck it's called.